Party World, and this is the Glowave Blacklight Glow Party Kit instructional video. Yeah!
The Glow Party Kit contains 4 long-length blacklight LED strips. It also contains 2 power adapters, cables to connect everything together, and 2 plastic support hooks with strips.
Okay, the first job is to determine where to position the lights. We suggest to put 1 light on each wall of the room to surround the party in ultraviolet light. Only the Glowave blacklight strips from Glow Party World come with extra long cables attached. This allows you to easily position the lights exactly where you want them. As you can see here, plenty of length to have your lights up high, down low, or spaced further apart to suit the shape and design of your room.
Okay, so now we're in the other corner of the room and I'm going to show you how to put up your black lights. Now we're going to be placing 1 light along this wall and 1 light along here. Now the first job is to choose a central location, and we're going to be sticking the plastic hook to the wall, and this is to support the weight of the power adapter and the cables. Now the hooks come with a 3M strip, and when using any 3M product they recommend that you clean the wall surface first with an isopropyl rubbing alcohol. So be sure to clean down the area where the hook's going to be going, and then also the strips have an adhesive backing, so we're also going to need to clean down the area where the strips will be going along the wall.
Okay, so placing the hooks is easy. First separate the strips and remove the red liner. Press the strip onto the back side of the hook. Now remove the black liner and press the hook firmly against the wall for about 30 seconds. The harder you press, the stronger the adhesive bond will be. So next what you want to do is unwind your cables. So unwind your adapter cables, grab your splitter cable and plug it into the adapter. Then we want to hang your adapter onto the hook, making sure there's enough length to get to the power point.
Now the final step is to unroll the lights, plug them into the splitter cable, and then it's a simple matter of removing the adhesive backing, peeling it all the way off, and sticking the lights to the wall. Just make sure you go along and press down firmly the whole length of the light, making sure that you've got a good stick all the way along and that every part of the adhesive backing is pressed hard against the wall. Now grab your other light, unroll it, and you will repeat that same process by plugging this one in to the remaining end of the splitter cable. And we'll be running that along that wall there.
Now all you gotta do is get your best neon costumes on and party!
Yeah!